Heat the oil in a kadhai or wok on high heat, and when the oil is hot, add the garlic paste or the grated garlic. And now we're going to roast this garlic till it turns a shade brown. The garlic is roasted. Add the ground fenugreek leaves and the green peas as well, and dry the water. Once the water is dried up, and yes, of course the gas will be on high right now, and when the water dries up we'll reduce the gas to low, and then we'll roast the fenugreek leaves. And we'll roast the fenugreek leaves really well so that the bitter taste of the leaves goes away. As you can see, about half the water is dried up. We're going to add the bay leaves now, the cinnamon and the cloves, and the jeera or the cumin seeds as well, and keep stirring till the water dries up. If you like the rice to be spicy, add some green chilies to the fenugreek leaves before grinding. Remember to keep stirring frequently so that the mixture does not stick to the kadhai or the wok. We'll add the salt now and keep stirring the fenugreek leaves till they are roasted well, really dark, so that the bitter taste is eliminated. And after that we're going to reduce the heat to low once the water evaporates. This roasting will also make the peas soft. And now the water is dried up completely, and we're going to lower the gas to sim or low and roast the fenugreek leaves really well so that the bitter taste goes away. And now stir constantly so that the mixture does not stick to the base of the kadhai, and if it is getting too dry, add some oil and keep stirring. And now we'll add 4 cups of water to the rice. It's time for the rice to be added to the mixture. It's almost roasted, so we'll just add the water and keep it ready. If you're using basmati rice, soak it for 30 minutes before adding to the kadhai or wok. So we need to add a little more oil, and we've added about 1 tablespoon of oil. Since the mixture was getting dry, we need to get it wet and roast it a little more. As you can see, the methi has turned pretty dark, but we need to roast it a little more. It's tasting a little better still. So we'll keep on the roasting process and keep stirring it continuously. The methi is roasted. We roasted the methi for 20 minutes on low heat and about 10 minutes on high heat, and now we're going to add the rice and water. Stir the rice well now, and the gas is on high now. Once the water comes to a boil, we reduce the gas to low and put on the lid. So we'll cover the wok with a lid and let the rice cook. The water has come to a boil. Cover the wok with a lid and reduce the gas to low, and we'll check the rice after 15 minutes. It should be ready by then. Well, time's up. It's 15 minutes, and we'll check the rice now to see if there's any water left. There is no water on this side. The water is dried up, and we'll check the other side now. That also seems to be dry now. There isn't any water. So the rice is ready now. The rice is ready. The steam will cook whatever little remains uncooked in the rice. And we'll cover the wok with the lid. And after 5 minutes, we'll transfer the rice to a serving bowl. The rice took 15 minutes to cook, and now we'll transfer the rice to the serving bowl. So here's today's dish, Fenugreek rice or Methi Wale Chawal. Hope you like this dish. Do try it and give us your feedback. It's a differently flavored rice. You can have it with plain yogurt or some raita. Please do share this recipe video and also subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.